All right, music class is getting a serious upgrade. Let's dive into the new sound of learning.
So, is music theory just a bunch of boring rules? For a lot of us, it kind of felt that way.
But what if theory was taught through actually making music? According to experts, that's the key. To see where we're going, we first have to understand the old school way of doing things.
The old way felt like a textbook, totally disconnected from the fun of actually playing.
Okay, so what's the new way? How are teachers making theory actually, fun?
It's all about getting hands-on, creating melodies, playing with chords, really using the theory.
And it gets even cooler. We're talking analyzing pop songs, playing games, and even using your body.
Take We Will Rock You. Instead of reading notes, you're learning rhythm with your own body.
Now, let's talk about the tech that's making all of this possible. It's a whole new toolkit.
These digital tools are turning abstract ideas into something you can see, hear, and play with.
MIDI keyboards are a perfect example. They give you instant feedback, linking theory to actual sound.
And that right there, that creates the aha moment when it all finally clicks.
But this goes way beyond just notes and scales. We're talking about building some serious life skills.
Get this, one study saw an 87% improvement in student understanding. That is huge.
And the key? Having students work with local musicians, bridging that gap between class and career.
You're literally training your brain in pattern recognition and analytical thinking, skills useful for everything. Plus, a solid theory foundation makes you a more confident, expressive performer. It just does.
So what does all this mean for the future of music? Let's wrap it up.
Well, music theory isn't a gatekeeper anymore. It's a launch pad for lifelong creativity.
The whole mindset has shifted. It's not a book of rigid rules. It's a powerful toolkit for creativity. So here's a thought. What if creativity isn't about breaking the rules, but really understanding them first?